Hi, my name is Joel Bondarowski and I'm the founder of PPC Designs. PPC, or pay-per-click advertising, is exactly what it sounds like. It's a form of advertising where the advertiser pays for each click to their website. The goal is to receive more than what they paid for every click. Sounds simple, right? Unfortunately, when it comes to the internet, which is highly complex, simple doesn't apply. The most important thing about that click is what's behind it. The motivating force that enticed the internet user to click on your ad. The internet is comprised of over 1 billion websites and users. These websites can be segmented in countless number of ways, reflecting the billions of users who consume them. These segments can be further segmented to produce an infinite number of ways to categorize and segment internet users, as well as to categorize the billions of websites they are consuming. Think about it, an infinite number of ways. This is why it is essential that you understand the intricacies of PPC advertising. Let's take a more in-depth look at this. With PPC, you choose segments of internet users and select a price you're willing to pay each time a user from that segment clicks on an ad to your website. Each one of these segments represent users that have a chance of converting into a sale on your site. Therefore, every click has some sort of value. For pay-per-click to be profitable, the cost per click needs to be less than the potential value the click has for the advertiser. One of the most important aspects of running successful PPC campaigns comes from understanding the different tools at your disposal. Their function is to give you the means to target the right users with the intent to buy what you are selling. The ad the user sees entices them either to click by offering them what they are looking for or by speaking their interest with something else that captures their attention. Your ad is in competition with billions of websites on the internet. A little while ago, I stated that the most important thing about a click is the motivating force that drove the user to make the click to your site in the first place. I also stated that the more than 1 billion internet users out there can be divided into countless number of segments. In the next lesson, I will explain the available tools through the advertising platforms which will target the right users with your ads. Each platform has the ability to target users differently.